Hello and welcome back to Lock Lab 101. What we're going to do today is we're going to cast this key in solder, lead solder, in order to open this lock. Okay, right now, as you can see, this doesn't open, but we have a working key here. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is, this is a clamshell here, and it's filled with clay, just regular craft clay, nothing special. I packed it in there tight, and then I just smoothed off the top. And what we're going to do, we're going to put this key in there, and then make an impression of it, and then pour casting into it. But before we do that, we need to put some baby powder on this so that when we open her back up we can actually get the key out. So I'm going to put this to the side, and what I have here is just standard baby powder, and I'm going to just put a little bit on there, and I'm going to smooth it around some and then throw the excess in the garbage. So this is kind of what we have to work with now. So the next thing we want to do, we take the key, and when we make the casting of the key or the form, we need to make sure that we have the shoulder here. So I'm going to come up to about here, and the way that looks is like this. A little bit more, and then I'm going to clamp it down, make sure it's, and then right here, and all I do is squeeze. Okay, then open it up, and we have a pretty good, lift this out. Okay, so now as you can see we have a pretty good casting there. But one thing we need to do is create a riser. So when we pour, what we're going to do, we're going to put this up like this, and we're going to pour casting into it. We're going to lift it up like this, pour casting into it, and what we don't want is to form a bubble down here. So what we do is we do a riser. So we're going to come down here. We're just going to take some of this out here. I'm going to bring it around to this way here, and we're just taking some of this off, and that'll give a way for the air to escape that's pushed out. And I'm going to do this on both sides. Just enough so that if there's any air trapped in there, it'll have a place to go. Okay, so that's pretty good. Okay, so now what we want to do, we want to close this up. We're going to close this up and put it in a vise. All right. Okay, now what we want to do is make a dam around this. So we're going to end up pouring metal in here, so I want to make a dam. I'm going to kind of shape this out a little bit, give it like a funnel effect. This will also give me a handle once the key is cast. And it'll help when I pour it in there to make sure it all gets where it needs to go. Okay, form is complete, and so let's start heating up some solder. So what I'm going to do is light the candles. I have 3 wicks. I'm going to put it under here. So the flame's hottest right at the tip of the flame. So I have a bunch of diving weights here, just BB shot, that I've set up so that the pot is just barely at the tip of the flame here. So we're going to melt this until it's liquid, and then we're going to pour it in here. It's starting to melt now. I don't know if you can see that. This is all melted, but this here isn't. Almost. Okay, so this is all melted. Alright, here we go. Now I'm just going to wait until this dries, and hopefully we'll have a working key. Okay, that's probably good. I'm going to go ahead and put this down here and get rid of this vise. Okay, here's the moment of truth. That's still quite hot, so I'm going to leave it down here for a couple minutes. It's not bad. We can definitely see the cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to take this out now. It's still quite hot. I'm going to break some of this off. You can see our mold there. Okay. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Alright, moment of truth. Alright, here we go. Almost in. I don't want to force it. I have to take a little bit of material off. Yeah, I can see it. Okay, let's give it a shot. And there we go. Okay. Here's the original key, and here's the mold. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. I hope you learned something. If you did, please like and subscribe, and thank you very much.